So hey, welcome back to another video. So happy to have you here. Thank you for joining me. I am en route to my city to go to the penthouse and to go to the home goods in my city. I love my city. Home goods in my city better than the one down here. So I'm going to Home Goods to try to find new knobs for the new buffets. Are they buffets? What are they? Since they're not being used in the dining room, what are they called? You know. I'm headed down here for that. I'm looking for knobs, lamps, and area rug. These are the things on my look for list. Area rug, those are the three main things, and then whatever else I stumble upon, of course, if it catches my eye, is coming home with me as well. I'll show you what that looks like. The things I've changed something on the things I told you guys in the last video. I didn't like the black tops. So okay, first of all, the angle of this ring-a-dink broken mount is ridiculous. I feel like you're sitting right here. I don't like it, but I can't change it because it's broken. It's rigged up as it is right now, so let me just leave it alone. You're probably gonna fall out of it anyway. But anyway, I changed the top color from black to another color, which I will show you hopefully in later clips of this video right here if I find the knobs. Fingers crossed. Now look, you know knobs are always out for the taking at Home Goods. Now here I am looking for knobs, and I probably won't be able to find them. We're gonna have hope. Glass half full, not half empty. Okie dokie. So I just left out of Home Goods. I'm batting zero. They had knobs, but nothing I wanted, and nothing that would have complemented the credenza thingies. No cute lamps, and I almost got 2 mirrors because I'm so symmetrical that I make myself sick. But that's just how my brain processes and appreciates stuff. It's with symmetry. I don't know why that is. I don't know why that is. But I almost bought 2 mirrors, but they were almost identical in color to the credenzas, and I don't want it to be too much of that. You know what I mean? So buy Home Goods. You let me down today. There's always 2 more though that I can check out not far from me.
Lights came in.
Okay.
Alright, so they really just come in a row. And the cool thing about these is that most of these do, like if you look here, most do red, green, and blue. But this also does cool white and warm white. So you can have your daylight, warm white, or any combination of the rainbow spectrum with these lights. Right?
Okay.
So my plan is to, this is going across the top, and the crown molding, that's upside down. Crown molding goes like so, right?
Yep.
And so these lights just go right on top of this. They got like,
On top of this part?
yeah, on top of that.
Okay.
Straight across. And then I ran this wire, right? That goes behind that so I can plug it up. The reason why I did that is because I figured that the cable that came with it would be too short. So I'm gonna splice this.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna use that to extend the power up.
Okay.
And plug it up. And this connects to Alexa, SmartThings, Google Home, and Apple Kit.
Where you get it from?
Amazon.
You have a link for it? And so make sure, because I know you don't like, you know,
So you can also just manually do it.
Okay. Okay, that's gonna be really nice. Now, what is it gonna shine on though? Just up to that part?
Shining up. It's just adding some ambiance.
Just a little extra something.
Just a little extra because we extra.
As what? Hell. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the plan. Now, whether or not it's gonna work, pretty sure.
How long is it gonna take to do?
No.
Okay. Well, I'll come back if it works. I'll come back if it don't work. Either way, I'll come back.
I'm waiting until nighttime.
To do it or to look at it?
To look at it.
Okay, yeah. Alright. You about putting down the baseboard stuff?
Yeah, I cut them all. I just need to nail them.
Oh, wait. Oh, don't. Okay, that's new baseboard over there.
Yeah.
And shoe molding all around. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Alright, baby. Okay. I see some light up there right now. Oh. Now wait, are you really gonna be able to see this when the crown go over it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be shining.
It'll be better at night though. It's daytime right now, so.
It'll shine like it'll just shine up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little effect.
Yeah. Yeah, we are extra. It's so extra to be doing that.
Oh, let me see. Let me see when I put the crown up.
I think we're only gonna be able to get the effect at night.
It's definitely a night deal.
Yep.
And then put this up.
Okay, yeah, you can see it. You can see it. I like how the crown look right there on that edge.
Ain't that slick?
Mm-hmm. I like that it's not at the very top. But yeah, on top of the faux wall. I like that. It makes sense. You're a genius. Genius you are, sir. Whew. Sick Sharon reporting here. I have eaten something bad. I don't know which restaurant it was, but I have been down for 2 days. This is day 2 of excruciating stomach pains and excessive bathroom use. This is the worst. It's gotta be food poisoning. Gotta be. And I don't know which restaurant it was that got me. I don't have a clue. Let me go back to sleep. Oops. Get up there. Okay, y'all. I'm back. Oh, I knocked all the Q-tips off. Out of the container here. The first day I'm actually feeling back like a human being. Since food poisoning, stomach virus or whatever it was. Oh my God, it's worse. Still weak though. But the show must go on. I am tired. But not really though. Okay. Let me put this other lash on. Look at the glue. It'll dry like this one. Can you even see the lash? Hold up. Yeah. Now this one needs to dry. It's not. You hear my stomach? Yeah. That's what I've been going through for the last couple days. Sit right here in this cabinet. But I don't know if I have or not, but we're gonna try it out today. day I've actually gotten up and put on some clothes. But still a little bit on the weak side, or exhausted, just like drained, like just depleted of all energy. And that's probably from just body getting rid of everything, you know, tiring you out, and all of that jazz. Okay. We have really been doing nothing like here at this house, just because we have been tired of doing stuff. So we just kind of chilled out the last couple days and haven't done anything. Come here, get over there. We haven't done anything. The floor's still needing to be done. The girl cave is probably where it was the last time you guys seen it, because I think that's when I got sick. Was whatever day that was. Whew. Now, I need to go to Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby? Yeah, Hobby Lobby. Lost my earrings somewhere here in the bed. But I'm back, y'all. I'm back. And it's as good as it's gonna get. I guess. Sit right here. What was it saying? Maybe because it's a pillow you're leaning them against and it's not a tripod. Lunch. I don't want nothing but candy. No real food. I can't eat any real food right now. I don't know. I'm probably all over the place. But I need to do some work, sir. I just don't feel like it. I just don't have it in me. I'm working off 75% energy. And y'all know that's not even like me. Normally, I can just push through. I can be feeling the absolute worst and I'll still just push through and do whatever it is I need to do. But when you're sick on the stomach like that and everything is coming up, you have no energy afterwards, and you haven't eaten anything to fuel your body, it makes it really, really hard. So